Offered by the LSU Digital and Continuing Education team, Special Focus is an intensive 12-week program designed to guide you through the development or redevelopment of an online course. By the end of the 12 weeks, you will develop a course that is fully aligned, meets accessibility standards, and ensures a consistent and positive learning experience for students. You will have the opportunity to discuss and learn with peers, receive guidance from a Learning Experience Designer, or LXD, and engage in hands-on course design and development experiences. During the first 4 weeks, you will participate in a series of 3 3-hour-long workshops. These workshops include creating a course outline, learning objectives and assessment plan, curating content and learning resources, and course building. If you are unable to attend all of the workshops or stay for the full duration of a workshop, please do not be discouraged from registering. We have a corresponding Moodle course which provides information to help keep you on track. Throughout the program, you will submit assignments which serve as a way to receive feedback at key points in the course development process. Your course is due for an initial review at the end of the 12th week. An LXD will then provide you with feedback and conduct a secondary review if minimal course standards are not met to help you prepare for the launch of your course. The Special Focus program is offered several times throughout the year. We recommend registering for an offering that sets you up to have your course developed 2 months prior to its launch. Those 2 months will provide the time that is necessary for the course to be reviewed and any necessary changes to be made. For more information and to register, please visit the training site on lsu.edu.